Hello students, let us see today class 9 Manipur board exercise 1.3 question number 1. Construct a line segment of length root over 5.6. In the previous exercise, we have learned how to represent irrational number and real number on a number line. So today also let us learn how to construct line segment of given length root over 5.6. So in order to construct this line segment, first let us draw AB equal to 5.6 unit. Let's take, and BC equal to 1 unit. Let's take. Now here we can write here AB equal to what? 5.6. Let's take units. And BC equal to what? 1 unit. Therefore, now let's find AC length. AC length is equal to AB plus BC. AB equal to 5.6 plus BC equal to 1 unit. Now 1 plus 5, 6.6 unit. We know that AC equal to what? 6.6. Now we can show here AC will going to bisect. AC is going to bisect. 6.6 half is 6.6 half is what? Divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Here pointing right. Again 6 will come down. 2 3s are 6. So 6.6 half is what? 3.3. Now we can find out 3.3 from here. 3.3, or we can measure with scale, or we can use divisor or compass. Let us use compass. Middle point of AC. Let's take from here. Let's take from here. Now with center O and radius OA or OC. Let us draw an arc. Let us draw an arc. We can write here. Now a semicircle is drawn. With what? Center. With center O. And radius, what radius? OA or OC. Draw. Then we have to draw here. BD is perpendicular to AC or OC will draw. This is perpendicular. BD perpendicular to what? AC, let's say, is drawn. Then I'll do here. Now second is, by using Pythagoras theorem, we know that BD value will get root over 5.6. How does 5.6 I will show? Then BD represents what? Root over 5.6. How does root 5.6 BD length 5.6 come? I will show you. If AC is bisected at O, we know that AO equal to what? OC. AO and OC are half of AC. Half of AC. AC length how much? AC length 6.6. 6.6 half is what? 3.3. We already shown here. And then now, because of BT is permanent to AC, BT permanent to what? Let us say OC. BT is permanent to OC, so what will come? Now this length ODN, what will equal? OC will equal. OD equal to OC. Equal to, now OD how much? OD how much? OD equal to OC. OC equal to what? 3.3. Here OD will take 3.3. And let's find OB. OB is equal to what? OC minus BC. OC minus BC. OC equal to 3.3. 3.3 minus BC. BC equal to what? 1. Then now 3 minus 2 means what? 1 means what? 2.3. So OB equal to how much? 2.3. OB equal to 2.3. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, we'll know that OD square. OD square equal to what? OB square plus BD square. Now let us see, we are going to find BD. Let's find BD. BD square finds what even here? OD square plus become minus OB square. Okay, now let us see again. Here OD. OD equal to what? 3.3 square minus OB. OB equal to 2.3 square. Implies we can find, let us find BT. Square become square root. When you see 3.3 square, 3.3 means 3.3, 3.3 means, because just calculate, you'll get 10.89 minus 2.3 means 2.3 into 2.3, you'll get, how much? Look at 5.29. 5.29. And then now, when 10.89 is subtracted by 5.29, we'll get 5.6. We'll get. That is why the length of BD is what? Root 5.6. So I think you'll understand. Let us see question number 2 represents root over 6.5 on a number line. Now let us represent root over 6.5 on a number line. In order to represent this, first let us draw x or x dash number line, and starting from 0, 0, left side will take negative integer and 0 right side will take positive integer. And now here first let us take OA equal to 6.5. Unit will take on the left side of 0. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6.5. Minus 6.5 means minus 6 minus 7, half. Let's take is denoted by A, and then from 0, right side let's take 1 unit. 0 up to B is 1 unit. And after that, this OA how much? 6.5. OB how much? 1. 6.5 plus 1 is 7.5. 7.5 half. 7.5 half. This is AB half. Let's take as C. This C we can measure. AB half we can measure with the help of compass or divisor. I'll measure with compass. This half is there. And here only step. Same. With center C and radius BC or AC, let us draw an arc. Let's draw a semicircle. And after that, now OD. OD is drawn parallel to x or x dash. Primary will draw, and then this OD, when we calculate, the value of OD will become root over 6.5. So this OD length equal to root 6.5. Root 6.5, how it comes, I'll explain later. And then now, with center O and radius OD, with center O and radius OD, let us draw an arc. This arc will intersect the number line at the point P. This number line P represents root over 6.5 because this OD length and this OB length should be equal. So like that, we have to represent root 6.5 on the number line. Let us write the explanation. Let us take what? OA. OA equal how much? 6.5. 6.5 units on the left or right? Left. Left of 0. And 1 unit. OB equal to 1 unit. On the left of 0. Then let us find AB. AB value is equal to OA plus OB. OA how much? 6.5 plus OB how much? 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7.5 unit. Now AB length how much? 7.5. And AB will bisect at C. And it is bisected C. Now with center C, a semicircle is drawn. A semicircle is drawn with, what is the center? C. And radius, what's the radius? AC or BC. Is drawn. Then after we draw, when I measure OD, hence OD. OD will get what? Root 6.5. And now the point P. The point P represents what? Root over 6.5 on the number line. And you will understand for this explanation how OD comes root 6.5. I'll show you. Here let us see let us say AB. AB equal to, before how much we get? 7.5. Now AB middle point is C. That means CA. CA and what equal? BC will equal. CA and BC are the midpoint of what? AB. AB half. AB how much? 7.5. 7.5 into 2 means 2 3s are 6. Here 1, 2 7s are 14. 0 means 2 5s are 10. So AC, this value is what? 3.75. Wait on this. And then now let us see. Now let's find the value of OC. OC value is equal to BC minus OB. Do you understand? OC equal to what? BC minus what? OB. BC equal to 3.75 minus OB. OB equal to 1 unit. 3 minus 1, 2.75. So now we have only known OC value. Okay, now since OD is perpendicular to, let's take BC. OD is perpendicular to BC. So OD is perpendicular to BC. That's why this CD and BC should be equal. CD is equal to 1, BC equal to. That means BC will equal to 2.75. Now we can find out the length of OD, that is CD. CD value. How much CD value? Okay, here BC, CA. BC, and okay. Now CD equal to what? CD equal to BC. BC value how much? 3.75. Sorry, 3.75. So CD value is 3.75. And then here OC will this OC below. OC below will take 2.75. Okay, now in right triangle what? Let us see DOC, let's say. By Pythagoras theorem, CD square equal to what? OC square plus OD square. Now let's find OD square. CD square, you right, plus become minus OC square. Now CD value equal to 3.75 square minus OC value how much? OC equal to 2.75 square. Okay, now if you want to find OD means square become square root. So 3.75 square, 3.5 square, if you multiply you will get, just use multiply 14.0625 minus. Again, if you multiply 2.75, multiply you will get 7.5625. In here, when you subtract this, 14.0625 and 7.5625, you will get 6.5000. Now we know that 2.5 is equal to 2.50. So after decimal, 0 we will not consider. That is why these 3 0 we will not consider. We can get 6.5. That is why the length of OD is equal to root over 6.5, which we have already shown here. OD equal to root 6.5. I think you will understand. Students, let us see the Manipur Board Class 9 Exercise 1.3, question number 3. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. The following given numbers are all a real number. We are going to classify rational or irrational. First, let us see Roman number 1, 3 plus root 2. So let's find the value of, if you take the square of root 2 value, you'll get 1.41421356. Will never end and it will never be repeated. Then with the value of 3, you plus with 3 means will come 4.4142. That means non-recurring, non-terminating. That is why 3 plus root 2 is Non-terminating, non-recurring means which number? Irrational number. So you'll understand. And Roman number 2, let us see, 3 minus root 2. 3 is rational, root 2 is irrational. Rational, irrational, in this case, we cannot subtract. So root 2 is still there, so this is also irrational. Now Roman 3, let us see, 2 root 5. We can write 2 into root 5. The value of root 5, if you calculate by using square root method, you will find means root 5 value also will come non-terminating, non-recurring. So 2 and root 5 in the midst will become 2 root 5. Still root 5 is still there. That is why this is what number? Irrational number. Now Roman number 4, 1 over root 2. So this denominator root 2 we're going to remove. That is called denominator rationalizing. Now 1 over root 2. If you remove root 2, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2. Here's root 2, here's root 2. Root 2 1 is root 2, root 2 is 2. That means in a numerator, root 2 is still there. That is why this is what? Irrational. And now, Roman number 5, let us see, 3 plus root 2 into root 3. So this is root 3. That means 3 plus, let's open the bracket, root 3 minus root 3. Plus minus cancel, what remain? 3. 3 is what? Which number? Rational, irrational? Rational. You understand? And Roman number 6, 13 plus root 7 into plus 4 minus root 7. Now, rational, let's combine. Irrational, let's combine. It is like I'm combining. Here 13 plus 4 is plus root 7. After bracket open means plus minus, minus root 7. Plus minus cancel. We know that 13 plus 4 equal to 17. Is 17 is rational, irrational? It is rational. Do you understand? And now let us see Roman number 7. 4 root 21 over 5 root 21. Root 2 and root 21 cancel. What remain? 4 over 5. Which is the form of p by q. So it is rational, irrational? It's rational. And now let us see Roman number 8. Root 2 plus root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. So this one we can express in an easy way. Now here root 3 minus root 2 is there. So this one root 2 plus root 3 also we can write root 3 plus root 2 because addition is commutative. So root 3 plus root 2 and root 2 plus root 3 same into what? Root 3 minus root 2. Here we can use the identity root 3 let's take A, root 2 let's take B. That means which identity we're going to use? A plus B whole, A minus B whole. So in class 8 we have learned A plus B whole into A minus B whole equal to what? A square minus B square. You're going to use this formula. So A plus B whole into A minus B whole means A square. Where is A? Root 3 square. A square minus where is B? Root 2 square. So here we can write root 3 is a 3 minus root 2 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 is a worst number? Rational number. I think you'll understand.